In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to use Netflix codes to find hidden content. Let's get started. Netflix organizes its library into thousands of hidden categories, and each category has a unique numeric code that helps you discover more specific content. To use these codes, open a web browser on your PC or mobile device and sign into your Netflix account. In the address bar, type netflix.com/browse/genre/ followed by the category code. For example, if you have a code for action and adventure, simply add that number to the end of the URL and press enter. Netflix will instantly open that hidden category and display all the available titles in your region. You can also search online for upload list of Netflix genre codes, including categories like comedy, horror, anime, documentaries, sci-fi, romantic films, and many more. Keep in mind that available titles vary by country, so some categories may have fewer results depending on your location. Once you find something you like, simply click on it and start watching as usual. And that's it. This way you can easily use Netflix codes to find hidden content. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.